So we bolted down the crossbar and then put another piece of angle iron on top of it and screwed it in from the side in 4 spots. And then after that, it was getting exciting. We ended up, John helped me, we ended up putting the base down, screwing it into the bar here. So you can get at it. So in here, on this side, you can put your hand in. On this side, it's flat. So we screwed in here all the way across. And then we tried to hit the cross pieces here and here. And then over here, there is some hoses that run underneath right here, so we had to avoid that area. And then in the back, we just hit the ridges. The only issue we ran into was breaking off the bits, the drill bits, going through the crossbars. Not because they were that hard to drill, it's just for some reason they just wanted to snap on us today. So I'll have to pick up a few more to replace them, but other than that, it's going really good. So next we'll get this front in and Z-zip the rest of it, and then start putting in these pieces on the sides, and then we're ready to put the liner back in. So getting exciting.